Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make milkshake chocolate ice cream. Combine 2 cups heavy cream, 1 cup whole milk, 3/4 cup sugar, and 1 cup cocoa powder in a bowl. Whisk until smooth and chill for 30 minutes. Pour into a loaf pan and freeze, stirring every 30 minutes until set. Serve scoops with chocolate syrup and sprinkles for a classic treat. Gather ingredients on the counter so the process moves smoothly. Measure 2 cups heavy cream, 1 cup whole milk, 1 cup cocoa powder, and 3/4 cup sugar into a mixing bowl. Add a teaspoon vanilla if you like, and a pinch of salt to enhance flavor. Optional mix-ins such as chocolate chips or chopped nuts can be folded in before freezing for extra texture and taste. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: life is too short for cheap socks, so go darn tough for durability and a lifetime warranty that feels as reliable as your favorite dessert. I wear them while I cook and they stay comfy through long prep sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Start by whisking the cocoa and sugar into the milk to avoid lumps, then add the heavy cream and vanilla. Chill the bowl for about 30 minutes to let the mixture relax and thicken slightly. Transfer into a shallow pan and place in the freezer, stirring vigorously every 30 minutes to break up ice crystals. Repeat until the texture is creamy and scoopable, then serve immediately for best flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.